gnome, we're going to need 3 size terracotta pots, our contact cement to glue them together, these little wooden beads, you only need 1, and the acrylic paint of your choice. So for the pots, you have the base one, then the one that sits on top, and that overlaps it a little bit for part of his hat, and then the very smallest one sits evenly on top. So that's going to be our gnome. So the first thing we're going to do is use our contact cement and glue them together. Let them sit for at least half an hour so that they're secure. Then I'm just going to paint them with my acrylic paint. So I'm going to use the green for the hat. So the top 2 pots are going to go with the green. The bottom one I'm going to do the blue. Okay, so I have my pots painted. Now for the bottom one, I wanted a darker blue than what I have. So if you want to make a color that you have lighter, mix it with white. If you want to make it darker, mix it with black. So to get this color blue, I just mixed the lighter blue with some black and got the deeper color blue. So now we're going to do his beard. So for his beard, I'm going to use a foam brush because that gives it like a textured look instead of it just being flat. So it actually kind of looks like a beard. And there's his beard. Next, I just took one of these wooden beads and put contact cement on it and put it right at the edge of his hat for his little nose. The last step is to cover the entire thing with some Mod Podge, so I'm just going to brush it on, or you can use a clear coat spray paint just to protect it where it's acrylic paint and it's going to be outside in the garden. I just want to put a clear coat on it to protect it from the weather. I painted little black semicircles on the bottom for his feet, and then just did a black line right across the top of the largest pot just to give some definition to the bottom. And there's our gnome.